If you had invested just $1,000 in Apple 20 years ago, you'd be sitting on over $150,000 today. But here's the truth, 2025 might be your next big opportunity. So what stocks am I personally buying this year? And more importantly, why? Let's dive right in. Stock number 1, Nvidia NVDA, the AI powerhouse. First up, Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably heard how artificial intelligence is changing the world, from ChatGPT to self-driving cars. And guess who's powering a massive chunk of that transformation? Yup, Nvidia. Their GPUs aren't just for gamers anymore. They're the backbone of data centers, AI training models, and even healthcare diagnostics. In fact, with OpenAI, Tesla, and hundreds of startups relying on Nvidia chips, the demand is skyrocketing. In 2024 alone, Nvidia's revenue from its data center segment jumped more than 200%. That's insane growth. And while some might say it's already too late to invest, remember, we're not just looking at next quarter, we're thinking long-term. AI isn't a trend, it's a transformation. And Nvidia is positioned like the picks and shovels of the AI gold rush.
Now this particular system here is 40 petaflops, which is approximately the performance of the Sierra supercomputer in 2018. The Sierra supercomputer has 18,000 GPUs, Volta GPUs. This one node here replaces that entire supercomputer. 4,000 times increase in performance in 6 years. That is extreme Moore's Law.
Second on my list is Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. Most people still see Amazon as that place you buy stuff online, but behind the scenes, they're a tech behemoth. Their cloud platform, AWS, is printing money, contributing to the majority of Amazon's operating income. Now here's what excites me. Amazon's recent push into AI services, grocery automation with Amazon Fresh, and even their new satellite internet project, Project Cooper, is all about dominating the next frontier of tech. Plus, their stock had a bit of a reset over the last year due to inflation and consumer spending slowdowns. But in 2025, with interest rates expected to stabilize and e-commerce continuing to grow, Amazon's looking like a smart, long-term play. It's a multi-dimensional company with consistent innovation and a rare combo of growth plus stability.
Think about the things that are not going to change over 10 years, and those are probably the big things. So like I know our retail business at Amazon, 10 years from now, customers are still going to want low prices. I know they're still going to want fast delivery, and I just know they're still going to want big selection. So it's impossible to imagine a scenario where 10 years from now, where a customer says, I love Amazon, I just wish the prices were a little higher.
Stock number 3, Brookfield Renewable, the green future. Last but not least, we have Brookfield Renewable Corporation, ticker symbol BEPC. Now this one's a bit different. It's not a flashy tech stock, but that's exactly why I love it. Brookfield owns and operates renewable energy assets across the globe: solar, hydro, and wind. With governments pushing for clean energy transitions and climate goals getting stricter, Brookfield stands to benefit from massive policy and private sector investments. Also, it offers a solid dividend yield, over 4% at the time of this video, which means while you wait for the stock to grow, you're getting paid. That's rare these days. It's a long-term bet on the future of clean energy, with consistent cash flow and global reach. So there you have it. Nvidia, the AI engine. Amazon, the silent innovator. Brookfield Renewable, the green growth machine. I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research. But if you're thinking long-term like me, these 3 companies could help anchor a strong portfolio for 2025 and beyond. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart investing tips, and let me know in the comments, what's the one stock you're buying this year? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.